How to add or remove apps to Assistive Access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Assistive Access. And to add in apps or remove apps, we go down and tap on Manage Apps. Now at the top here are apps that are available for you to use in Assistive Access. And down here, you can go down the list and add in any apps that you want to make available for Assistive Access. So we've got messages, then tap on Continued. You can add in music, and from here, you can choose add a playlist from music if you have a playlist. So if you have a playlist, you can choose a playlist. At the moment, I do not have any playlist, so you can create a playlist for music. So all kinds of music and photos, you can add in photos and then tap on the continue button. So that is how you can add apps to Assistive Access. If you want to remove it, simply just in the selected apps section, just tap on the remove button to remove it from Assistive Access. Now in the list here, there are more apps. So if you scroll all the way down, you will see a list of other apps that you can add it to. So I'll choose while using the app to allow location access to the weather app. And here in the list, you can add it to your Assistive Access. Now, if I go back and tap on the Start button, you can see that all the apps that we have just added are now available in Assistive Access. Okay, so here it is. Here are all the available apps that we have just added. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.